Hello everyone. In this clip, I am going to explain exponential function in complex analysis. Exponential function in C is defined as e raised to z is equal to e raised to x into e raised to iy, where e raised to x is exponential function defined in R and e raised to iy is cos y plus I sin y, which is an Euler's formula. Suppose I am taking a complex number z is equal to a plus ib, then its image under transformation e raised to z will be e raised to a into e raised to ib. That means e raised to z is a complex number with modulus e raised to a and argument is b. We represent domain in z plane and codomain in w plane. Then if we point z is equal to a plus ib in z plane, then its image under transformation e raised to z in w plane will be a point which makes an angle c with real axis, and its modulus, that means distance from origin, is e raised to a. Now suppose I am keeping real part of z constant and varying imaginary part, that means z is equal to a plus iy, then image of this will be a vertical line parallel to imaginary axis in z plane. So we have to find image of this line under transformation e raised to z. This will give you a circle with radius e raised to a in w plane. That means image of a vertical line parallel to imaginary axis under transformation e raised to z is a circle, center at origin and radius e raised to a. Now if imaginary part of z is fixing and real part is varying, that means z is equal to x plus ib, then image of this horizontal line parallel to real axis under transformation e raised to z will be a ray which makes an angle b with real axis. You can see in the figure the image of this horizontal line under transformation. Now let's see one problem. In this we have to find image of a rectangular region under transformation e raised to z. For this, suppose z1 and z2, z3 and z4 are vertices of rectangular region R, then let's see this image. We can see its geometry. z1 is equal to a plus ic, z2 is equal to b plus ic, z3 is equal to b plus id, z4 is equal to a plus id. w1 is image of z1, which is equal to e raised to a into e raised to ic. That means w1 is making an angle c with real axis and its modulus is e raised to a. Then image of z2, which is w2, it is equal to e raised to b into e raised to ic, which is again making an angle c with real axis and its modulus is e raised to b. Now you can see a is less than or equal to b. Also e raised to x is an increasing function in R, therefore e raised to a is less than or equal to e raised to b. So you can see w1 and w2 in w plane. These are the points on the same ray but with different modulus. In the similar way, we will find w3 and w4, which are images of z3 and z4. w3 is making an angle d with real axis and its modulus is e raised to b. and W4 is making an angle D with real axis and its modulus is e raised to a. So you can see image of rectangular region R under transformation e raised to z is giving an annular region. You can see this figure.